Smartphone Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G with a 120Hz screen poses in live photos. Internet sources have published live photos of the powerful smartphone Mi 10 Pro 5G, which is preparing for release by the Chinese company Xiaomi. It is known that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor will serve as the heart of the new product. This chip contains 8Ku585 cores with a clock frequency of up to 2.84 GHz and an Adreno 650 graphics accelerator. The device will receive an AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. A fingerprint scanner will be integrated directly into the display area. In addition, it refers to a small hole in the screen for the front camera. In the back of the case, you can see the quadruple main camera. If you believe the information available, it will include a 108 megapixel main unit, a module with a 20 megapixel matrix, and a wide-angle optics, a 12 megapixel telephoto block, and a 5 megapixel module. Power is provided by a 4500 mAh battery with support for fast 65 watt recharging. A symmetric USB Type-C port is provided. The equipment will include up to 12 GB of RAM and a flash drive with a capacity of 128, 256 or 512 GB. The official announcement of the smartphone Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G is expected in the first half of February. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye bye.